Hi, I'm Mr. Worker.
In aviation, precision isn't optional. It's the foundation of safe and uninterrupted flight operations. From daily inspections to complex structural repairs, every task requires the right tools to meet strict standards of accuracy, durability, and regulatory compliance. In the aviation world, technicians rely on a wide spectrum of specialized tools designed to handle everything from mechanical adjustments to electrical diagnostics and structural work. Whether operating in airline hangars, MRO facilities, private aviation, or military units, professionals need equipment that guarantees precision, durability, and total compliance with aerospace standards. These tools support every phase of aircraft maintenance, from essential hand tools like torque wrenches and cutters to pneumatic systems used for drilling and riveting during structural repairs. Advanced inspection devices, such as gauges and bore scopes, help teams identify issues deep inside engines and airframes, while electrical and battery handling tools ensure safe operations around sensitive components. Modern fleets also depend on digital solutions that track maintenance, analyze performance, and streamline workflows, allowing technicians to work more efficiently and reduce downtime. When choosing aviation tools, quality matters. Leading global brands such as Facom, Stahlwille, USAG, Knipex, TISA Technology, Gador, Hazet, and GT Line are trusted across hangars, airports, and aerospace manufacturing plants for their precision, durability, and performance. And for professionals looking for an official, reliable source, Mr. Worker offers a complete selection of aviation tools and equipment, along with exclusive deals on premium products from these top brands.
Mr. Worker, work tools for professionals.